talking so much, bitch, you doing a lot. I don't give a fuck who got a knot. I'm getting money, who you got a knot. I got the key, nigga.
God damn! Welcome back, family, to another video. Tonight we are going to a night car meet at our grand opening at a new 7-Eleven in our city. We got Skylar with us, we got R32, and tonight I'm gonna be showing you just what it's like owning an R32 Gtr in America. Fortunately, this is probably gonna be one of the last meets that we have her out for a while, because I'm gonna show you she has one major issue. I don't know if you guys can hear it from right here, but she has a grinding throwout bearing, and I really shouldn't even be driving her that much because we don't want that to fail. Ooh, it's getting louder as we speak. The throwout bearing is grinding, so this is gonna be last meet. It's only about 10 minutes away, so I thought, why not? Let's go out with a bang. Before we head to the meet, let me know, what is your favorite Japanese car? Is it a Skyline? Is it Supra? Is it NSX? Is it MR2? Is it an S2000? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'll see you guys at the meet. Boy put up on me. That detailing, if y'all need one, go hit my boy up. Yeah, go ahead, open that thing, bruh. Get that full experience. Yes, sir. That GTR in America was like, it's on that other side, boy.
Bro, this thing is hella clean.
This is dope, huh? Yeah, you gotta call your lady. Tell her what you in. What's your dream car?
Honestly, a GTR, but like a R35.
There you go.
Or a Hellcat.
Ooh, get the GTR, not the Hellcat.
Sure. Alright, bet.
Thank you, bro.
That will park it facing that way.
Facing this way?
Yeah,
on that curve?
Right here, yeah.
Okay. Cool. Look at that soup, dude. That motherfucker got a Roblox wing. Got that Roblox wing. Little Gtr over there too. Look at this shit. I'm fat as hell.
Right?
Yeah, it's a 34. No, I'm just playing.
Every time I see an R32, bro, I cream, bro. I'm not even kidding, bro.
Me too. Good looking, bro. Appreciate it. Awesome. We made it. We made it outside, y'all. Having a Skyline in America is the life, bro. Everybody loves it. Everybody here loves it. You know what I'm saying? The soup diddy doop diddy. They love it more than they love that thing over there, I promise you. Look, y'all. Let my boy get in there. This was me about a year ago, and because somebody let me sit in their car, I bought mine. It's hard, huh?
Bro,
honk the horn.
My shit box is over there.
My shit box, you're sitting in it.
Oh, this ain't no shit box. Look at the paint, bro.
Paint's ass. Motherfuckers rolling in, though. McLeasy, the wide body thing. More GTRs. Ooh. Motherfucker player. Damn, oh. This shot right here is insane. All the GTRs. Got us a soupy with the lamb chops, okay. Got the carbon fiber edition. That's hard. Ooh. Hey, the shots is going crazy right here. The chop though. That shit sounds insane. Damn. Soupy and company with the beams and fold. The Adro kit. Ooh, his beanie hard. I peep the swag game. The 40 look dope too. I ain't gonna lie. On the TEs. Damn. I'm so glad I invested in this camera, y'all. Bro, like the GoPro would have never did this no justice. But you know, peep the bling though. I got my you feel me? I was gonna say move the Skyline into the light, but I honestly don't want it under the light because then all of the like blemishes is gonna show. And yeah, I don't need nobody. I'm insecure about the rust on the car. Okay. That boy trying to get a shot of the worst car here. Like you getting the wrong. You getting a shot of the wrong car, gang. Your nose. Big as hell, bro. You got stung by a bee or something when you were a kid and just never swelled down? I got bit by a tarantula. And how you get bit by a beaver neck? DYB spec M4. I'm telling y'all, this is the best color in ever made on a car. I don't know what it is about this color, but it's the best color to ever put on a car. Hey y'all, if y'all just so happen to be watching this from a different company, what the fuck did I just say? If you just so happen to be watching this from a different country, based on what I titled this video, this is what a good night meat is in America. A lot of the meats are really bad, but some of these are really good. For example, this one, we got a lot of dope shit that came outside. Like, just peep the scenery. Even though I don't like the car, it's still dope. You know what I'm saying? It don't really matter. It just don't matter what you drive. If you love a car, if you have a car and you enjoy it, and you enjoy driving, enjoy building it, and that's all that matters. But this NSX though. Bro told me I look like Central C. Buddy happy as shit. Buddy 6-man parlay hit. He don't know what to do with himself. You finna go get a nose reduction. Oh, yeah, Bumboy's on live. Yeah, that's the worst spec. Worst spec. Yeah, that shit's ass. Nah, I'm just like. This shit player. Hot game. Spin that shit. The wing though. I'm telling y'all, silver wheels. Hop on the wave now. I say it every vlog, but we got work to do on our shit. Skylar shoots flames, but not like that though. Green Soupy, Green Goblin Soupy. Back to the stocks. Hey y'all, we might have to be going back to the stocks soon too on the Supra, but it's for a good cause. I like this color. This color hard. A soup on the tees. What do we think, y'all? Susie need them? I think Susie needs those. Them motherfuckers hard. Finally, this is exactly what I've been waiting for. Jesus, if there's a car I'm gonna fangirl about, it's this one. I ain't gonna cap. This motherfucker. Ooh. Yeah. This shit's so fucking sexy. Pull that motherfucker in the light so I could fucking drool over it. Damn. You trying to trade for a Supra? That shit's crazy. If y'all keep supporting, y'all keep hitting that like button like y'all be doing and supporting your boy, we'll get monetized again. Cause I got demonetized and this channel took a shit, I ain't gonna lie. So that's why the video slowed down, the mods slowed down. I don't make no money, so I need y'all to keep watching, hitting that like button, and we'll start getting shit like that Evo. I promise you, builds will go crazy. And also, if y'all want to know where else I be at, I'll be on my gaming channel. So if you made it this far, go subscribe to my gaming channel. It'll be in the link in the description if you really fuck with me. I fuck with you too. Let's see. Ooh, that's so beautiful, bro. What turbo is that? FP green or black?
Zero.
Zero?
Yes, it's the big FP one.
Damn. With the half battery too. Yeah, this is goals right here. The engine bay's clean too. Another one. Fat ass tires. Carbon hood too. Motherfucker soul player. My shadow in the way now. Yee. This motherfucker hard, boy. Damn. That's insane, bro. Oh my god, bruh. Another one. Oh, this motherfucker so is a player too. On the dead. Yeah, this shit sexy with the. God damn! He said, "Hey, chill." Yo, I didn't know bro was finna do all that. Yep, that's a 2J for sure. Hey. Good luck to him. I pray we have no interactions with them. We don't need that. We don't need none of that. Peep this shot though. 2 Evos. This is what we need the garage looking like. Just a bunch of Evos and Skylines. This is really All right, y'all, we had left the meet. She was getting a little too out of hand, so we left peacefully, you know what I'm saying? Got the Sentra. Little sauce for the boys, all 300 ponies. It's probably like 150 by now. But yeah, if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. This is gonna be the last time we take Skylar out for a cool minute. We gotta get the throttle bearing fixed. We gotta get the valve cover gasket replaced because she's got a little bit of a leak. And we gotta get the timing covers and all that powder coated as well. So videos on that coming soon. But until then, I'll see you guys later. Join the TYB family. I promise we lit over here.